5 minute. Closing that gap fast. We are closing that gap fast. It's good, y'all. This market is super bearish. We're gonna see if this bounce off that 9 EMA. On the ES, if we come back down to 64.19, we'll test the top of that the Asian range overnight. We under the VWAP, so right now we're looking bearish. Let me edit this. I gotta change this. 5 minute ORB. I gotta start getting this stream better, a lot better.
Man, it's some bullshit, bro. You really have to jump the gun, bro. You have to get in on that second 5 minute candle and get this move, bro. They ain't waste no time, dog. They jump right to it, bro. I couldn't get in that early. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I had to sit on it. I had to sit on it, bro. And then it was too late now. So like I said, if I would have jumped in once I seen my first candle, it was time to get out this shit, bro.
All right, bet we live. We good. Okay. All right, y'all. This is only my second live stream. I'm still trying to get used to this because, like, I can see my trading view, but I can't see me like in the frame. Unless I go to, let me see. All right, yeah, I can see that. All right, okay. Yeah, so looking to see what we're gonna do here if we're gonna close the rest of this gap. They just keep it. They've been gapping the market like every day. So I probably would have played this gap close right here if I'd have been on a lot earlier. But it's all good. Let's see what they do here. They just created a bearish order block on the ES on the 5 minute. And it is bearish looking, man. But I'm looking to see what this VWAP do on the ES. I'm over here looking on my other screen. There's a VWAP sitting at like 64.28 on the ES. Let's see if this gonna try to bounce from there, because the 9 is under the 20 EMA on the 5-minute on the ES. Everything is saying go short. They probably come and close this gap. And we got data, Powell speaking at 9. So this market liable to keep on dumping, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. They sold it off immediately. Golly. Man, I would have been up nasty on puts right now. God damn, man. Man, they going straight there. See what this options chain looking like. Man, I would have been up nasty. I would have been up nasty. All right. First 20 minutes, bearish. Gonna have to wait it out now, because I need to see if they're gonna close this gap towards the bottom, see if they're gonna bounce, or if they're gonna break the low of Friday. Golly. Straight there. Out the gate. Jesus. This is just all this was just a dead cat bounce to come close this gap. They gonna probably keep falling lower. All right, now we're just not touching the 9 EMA. Let's see what we do. Under the VWAP, but is the 9 gonna hold it and bounce back into the VWAP? That's what I gotta see here. Yep. Sold off immediately. They bounced it for no reason. Now we at the VWAP on the ES. All right. Obviously, this first hour candle's setting up to be red. It's super early though. All right, let's see if the ES hold up the VWAP. Show you what I'm talking about on the ES. Right there on VWAP. Yep, they about to go push through it. VWAP is not seeming to hold up on the ES. It is pushing down through there immediately. Like the gap closes fast. Yeah, so if I didn't start this thing stream late, I would have been in on this. I would have been on the break of this candle, this 5 minute candle. It was um like a fill two up, like a bear's top and tail. I would have got in on puts right here, right up under that VWAP. That's how I played. But I missed a nice move. Just going live too late. So I gotta get used to that. I can't be missing moves. So I'm gonna do a better job of making sure I start way ahead of time. I'm probably gonna go live like 10 minutes before we even start. 10 minutes before the market opens. So that's on me. But right now the EMA is looking like it's trying to hold up for right now. But I don't think it's gonna last long. I think eventually they're gonna close this gap. We so close. I'd be surprised if they don't close it. I'd be real surprised if they don't close this gap. Now what I'm looking for is to see if we're gonna bounce back into the VWAP right here and then start to reject, come back down. Because if this candle closed green, it got a good chance to bounce. I think the market will pick up once the 9 EMA gets really close to the VWAP. Uh, and we'll just kind of see what happens then. But the market is struggling, y'all. Like we are officially like in uh correction territory. You know what I'm saying? Like the market is um bearish as far as like the weekly chart, like the 9 EMA is under the 20. And so especially on the daily time frame, it's we were below the 200 daily moving average and the 300-day moving average with that close that we had on Friday. So the market is pretty bearish. So it's just a relief bounce. They opened it up with a gap and didn't really let intraday traders really participate. You know what I mean, by gapping it up so fast. So we're gonna see. Buyers look like it's trying to push back up. We're gonna see what happened right here. But my target is like ADR for sure. Once I can see if I can catch me an entry. I want to be careful because we got Powell speaking at more than 7 minutes. He's speaking at 9. See how this candle close. It's gonna be interesting. I might as well wait till after 9 now to kind of find me a position. Oh, it's at 9:30. Okay, 9:30. So we got that at 9:30. All right. So we got some time. All right. Oh, they bears. They closing this candle red. That's what it's looking like. Yep. Continuation down. They couldn't hold it up. Thing is bearish. Golly. Man, I want to grab put so bad. Dang, boy, they went straight down there. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm just watching this go down. Closing this gap fast. 25 minutes. If anybody bought calls out the gate, getting crushed. Yeah, I missed this. I missed this play. I played. I should have been in on puts. I missed one. I missed a clean ass move. I'm not gonna lie. I missed a nasty sell off. I would have been up, man, so much on this. Man. And it negated all my strat levels. I mean, by gapping up. So, yep, that's the gap close. Missed this whole thing. So now I got to see if it come down to lower ADR. So I straight missed it. Man, I'm hot right now. I'm not going to lie. We're back inside the Asian range. Um, on the ES. Yeah. All right. I pretty much missed the move. All right. I'm going to go ahead and end this live stream because, well, I think I am. Let me see. Because, I mean, it was just straight selling off. Like, we ain't had one green candle yet. I pretty much missed the move because this level right here, this ADR level, 63, 63, 19, that's where I would have got out. It's pretty much going to hit that in the first 30 minutes. The first hour. Man, this thing is. Well, I figured they was gonna sell this off though. This is what I was looking at. I'm gonna show y'all what I saw in the hour. This is what they were doing this whole time. I had this line drawn up. And look at this. Look how they ended. Boom. Look at this. I had that line drawn up before we even opened up. Now we got a new hour count on the ES. Now it's trying to buy up. It's ridiculous. I gotta get a new mouse. I hate this mouse. Look at that. This is the 1 hour chart. So now we got a 3. Let me mark this for puts. We break this. Yeah, this is what we did all night. We bought up just to sell it off. It was bear flag right here. This is what I was looking at. Perfect. Sold off all day Friday, bounce, the gap up, and then now selling back off again. The continuation down. Crazy. All right, look like we're about to. If we catch a bounce, we're gonna break back above. I'm just looking for a retest of this VWAP now because I need to see if it's gonna reclaim VWAP or reject off VWAP so I can be able to find another entry. Popping hard right here. Problem is we're under the EMAs now. Can't trust it because if it reject, it's gonna come back down to close this gap. Stock market is a mess, man. So we got to get in where we fit in. Like this got a chance to be the first green candle of the day. Let's see what they do. We're under the VWAP right now on ES as well. Because we broke support now. It looked like it could show resistance to continue back down. Yeah, they're trying to buy it up. Dang, I wish I would have caught this move. I would have been up nice. I still believe we're going to come down to hit lower ADR. Just got to wait and see now. Man. All right, we're about to get a green close on this. Yep. Okay, first green candle today. We're above the 9 EMA. Let's see what we do right here. We could potentially be doing a bear flag now. Back to the downside. I'm gonna draw it out. Right here. Yep. Selling it off immediately. Oh man. Dang, boy. Yeah, this thing bears. Goodness. Yeah, it's looking bearish. Trying to see what puts look like. I kind of like this continue down. I might do it out the money put. Yeah, I need to see how this candle close first. This candle could turn green. Hey, this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own due diligence when there's a lot of risk. So, you know, you are responsible for your own. Who's calling me? You're responsible for your own, accounts. So, I wanted to put that disclaimer in there. Seek a financial advisor. All right, buyers look like they're trying to step in. See if they could turn this candle green. They might could do a little something. Get back to VWAP. Look like they about to try to turn this candle green. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. I'm already looking at being done for the day as far as trading because I feel like I really missed the move for real. Because if anything, if they buy all the way back up, and then start to chop around, it's gonna be kind of hard to play it out. So I might end this live stream early just because we missed the initial move. That's my fault. Catching this, going live too late, missing the original move. And they just closed it as a hammer. I don't know. Hold on, let's see. Let's see what's up. It's looking like it's trying to turn around. Trying to look at some 6400s. Think about getting 6400 calls for for a bounce into the VWAP and like a scalp maybe. Nah, never mind. Yeah, it's still rejecting. If anything, I mean, I'm expecting it to come back into VWAP, but I want to see how it does inside of, right at the VWAP to see if it's gonna reject. If this kind of could turn back green, they should still bounce because we're above the 9. So it's just a little difficult to play right now. It was a nice little pullback. They might continue higher depending on what Powell says. So let's see. All right, y'all, man. I'm gonna go ahead and end this because I might not even take a play, or at least right now. I'm gonna have to wait till later on and let it set up because it looking like we might come back down to test that lower ADR. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this live. I went live too late. I'll be better prepared next time. Yeah, man. I'm out, man. I'll see y'all on the next one.